Hey guys, it's Aaron Barnes with PJ Trailers, and I want to show you a brand new model. It's our new 83-inch low profile high side dump, and it's called the DM. Now what makes this dump so special is that it combines two of our best-selling dump models into one new model, and that would be the DL, which is our low profile 24-inch deck height dump, and the DH, which is our high side dump that has 36 and 48-inch high sides. So this new model is going to give you an awesome trailer for loading big, bulky cargo and loads, but it's also going to give you that ultra low 24-inch deck height that makes it so great to load equipment. So I'll walk you front to back through this trailer and talk about some of the standard features and benefits of the new DM. Right up front, you'll notice we have a Bulldog 2 5/16 adjustable coupler and a channel mount. This allows us to adjust the coupler height to match the tow vehicle. Behind that, we have an 8-inch I-beam frame. This is part of what allows us to get this ultra-low 24-inch deck height. You'll also see that we have an 8K top line jack with a retractable drop leg. That's really important because when you hook up to your tow vehicle, you'll be able to just pull a pin to retract the bottom leg of the jack. We have a Bargeman 7-way front harness, which is known for having dual contacts and excellent reliability. We have a locking front toolbox. Inside of this toolbox, we have an Interstate deep cycle battery and a KTI hydraulic pump. In the back, we have an integrated charger that allows you to rapidly recharge this battery instead of using the truck connection, using an extension cord. Now let's go take a look at the sides of the DM dump. We're looking at the 48-inch high side DM dump model. These sides are made from 10-gauge steel, which is the same gauge thickness as the floor, so you know it's a heavy-duty side. The biggest distinction you'll notice between the 36-inch high side and the 48-inch high side dumps is that the 48-inch high side dumps have two side supports, where the 36-inch high side dump have a single side support that runs halfway between the fender and the top lip. Underneath, we have Dexter running gear. These are 7,000-pound drop axles with easy lube hubs and electric brakes. These drop axles allow us to get this ultra-low 24-inch deck height. For tires, we have Provider 235/80 R16 radial tires, 16-inch arc wheels that are powder-coated, and to lift the bed, we have a scissor hoist with a 5-inch cylinder. Now let's take a look at the rear of the DM. The standard gate for the DM is our two-way gate that includes barn doors and a spreader gate. The barn doors open and are hinged from the side. That's going to allow you to unload big bulky items and also to drive equipment in and out of the dump bed, but it also works as a spreader that hinges at the top. So to use this gate as a spreader gate, all you have to do is lift the lever on the side and then raise the dump bed to spread out whatever type of aggregate you have inside of your trailer. Now let's take a look at the inside of the dump bed and the ramp system. Now we're looking at the bed of the DM. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's 83 inches wide. This is really important for accommodating today's wider skid steers and tractors. You'll also notice every DM comes standard with 4 D-rings that are mounted inside the bed. The walls and the floor are made out of 10-gauge steel, and something I want to point out is that the seams run the length of the trailer and they're welded from the bottom side. That's really important. As you dump material out of the trailer, you want all of your seams to run lengthwise and you want the welds to be on the bottom so there's no chance for any material to snag as it's coming out. The other thing you'll notice is this ultra-low 24-inch deck height. This is actually lower than our 6-inch channel car hauler equipment trailer. You're also going to notice that we have 6.5-foot channel rear slide-in ramps that are standard with every DM model. You'll also see in the back bumper that we have flush mount LED lights that have a lifetime warranty. Thanks for taking a look at our 83-inch low pro high side dump. The model we showed you today is a 14-foot bumper pull, but we have gooseneck versions available as well. If you want a longer version, we offer a 16-foot model called the DK. If you want to learn more about either of these models, you can visit our website at pjtrailers.com.